wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today I will explain you how to make iced tea. So first you have to prepare the materials. The materials are sugar, tea, hot water, and yes, after that you put the sugar and tea into the cup and add some hot water and stir. After that you add some cold water and ice. After that you stir well, and finally the iced tea ready to serve. Okay, I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everybody. On this occasion, I would like to explain you how to make a donut. The first, we have to prepare all the materials. The materials are 500 grams flour, 100 grams sugar, 5 grams milk, 70 grams butter, 3 yellow eggs, 2 spoons instant yeast, less water, and then mayonnaise and cheese. The first, we have to mix the sugar, flour, and butter. After that, we mix in a few minutes, and then we add 2 spoons instant yeast with less water, and then 3 eggs, and then we mix for about 20 minutes. After expand, and then we divide it by hand, and then we divide in a small piece. The piece are circle, and then we let it expand again. After that, we make a hole in the middle of the piece by finger. You take this finger or use small. After that, we can fry in a medium rare until the color is brown. And then we put in plates, and then you can give topping according to your taste, and donut can be served. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
I would like to tell you about how to make delicious fried chicken. The material are 1 chicken cut into some pieces, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, and 1.5 cup flour. The materials are stove, spatula, and vegetable oil. How to make it? First, let the chicken dry. Second, combine the flour, salt, ground pepper into a large shallow bowl. The third, put the chicken in the flour mixture, shaking of the axis side by side about 15 minutes. The fourth, heat the oil in the pan, add about 1 cm oil to the pan. The fifth, fry the chicken in shallow oil for about 5 until 6 minutes. The chickens are done when they are brown. The last is remove from the heat. It's ready to serve. I think that's all that I could tell you about how to make delicious fried chicken. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everybody.
Bye.
I would like to explain how to make cucumber juice. The ingredients are a cucumber, 1 spoonful of sugar, a half glass of water, and ice cup. The tools are knife, blender, and glass. The steps: the first, wash the cucumber. The second, peel and remove all the skin from cucumber, but it's optional. Up to you if you want to peel off the skin, it's okay. And if you want to directly cut them into the small pieces, it's okay. After you cut the cucumber into small pieces, put them into blender. After that, add a half glass of water, 1 spoonful of sugar, and ice cup. If you like sweet tasty, you can add the sugar. And if you want to make pure juice, you don't use sugar. After all ingredients have been blended, turn the blender and wet them until dissolved. After softening, serve the juice. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everyone, hello. On this occasion, I want to tell you how to make fried rice. I use 9 materials here. They are 1 plate of rice, 1 egg, 3 cloves of onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 5 chilies, soy sauce, salt, flavoring, and 30 of red rice seasoning. And I choose the spicy one. Okay, now we next to the steps. First, pure the spices such as onions, garlic, and chilies. Then, prepare the rice. Basically, you have to cook the rice first. Next, heat cooking oil in the pan. After heat, put the spices and add salt and flavoring to do. Wait until the spices are right. After the spices are right, add the rice. Cook until the spices are equally. Next, add sajiko of red rice seasoning and soy sauce. Cook for 1 minute. And the last step, add sunny side up. Your fried rice ready to serve. I think that's all that I could tell you how to make fried rice. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm sorry if there's a mistake. And see you!